Good evening, everyone. This is the Cajun. Today we got some Alaskan crab legs, and we got some seasoning from today's Ketch seafood out of Chalmette, Louisiana. We're going to show you how to heat these crabs up with some Cajun seasoning to add some flavor to them. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hello, how y'all doing? Let me show you what we got. We got some special blend from today's Ketch. Check that out right there. The special blend seafood boil. Add contents of the bag to 10 gallons of water to season 40 pounds of crabs, crawfish, and shrimp. Boil as directed. It says ingredients: salt, spices, red pepper, dehydrated garlic, and onions. And today's Ketch seafood out of Chalmette, Louisiana. Check that out. This is some good stuff, folks. So we got that right here, and look in the bag. You can still see they got some of the vegetables in there from seasoning. We're gonna put some Conecuh Cajun seasoning sausage in there. It's not the hot, but it's the seasoned with the Cajun spices. We got us one potato. We got one ear of corn. And we got us one portion of Alaskan king crab legs. Check them out right there. Look how good those look. Don't those look good right there? Check them out. Yeah. So we're gonna get it ready. We got some water in our pot. Oh, hell, first, hold on, let's see. Now we got the control freak turned on by Breville. We're gonna put it up to, we're gonna just put it on up to 482 degrees, which is the highest temperature. We're gonna start getting this water hot so we can get it boiling, and we'll be back to you in a minute. So today we have 10 quarts of water, and we have 12.4 ounces of today's Ketch special blend seafood boil seasoning mix. The seasoning mix consists of salt, some spices, red pepper, dehydrated garlic, and dehydrated onion. We're looking for a target temperature of 180 at the top of the water in the pot. All right, we had 220 degrees at the bottom of the pot. We're gonna see what we're at the top of the pot right now. Let's see here. See, we only at 147, 148 at the top, so we still have a ways to go. But the bottom's already at 221. Top's coming up with, so we're gonna wait a minute, put some crab legs in. Once we get to about 160. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, so we got our crab legs soaking. We turned the temperature down. It was the top of the boil hit 180. Shut her down at that point so it stops cooking and starts soaking. We used about 25% of our boil mix. We also used our thermometer that we have. This is a good little device to measure the top of the temperature of the top of the water. So we use this thermometer to measure the top of the water to see what the temperature was there. It reached 180, so we knew the bottom was around 230, 240, somewhere like that. I have to look on the video, can't remember, but we knew the bottom was high enough. We wanted to make sure that the heat transitioned to the top of the boil at least to 180. We shut her down. Now she's soaking. We're gonna let her soak for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe a little longer. And then we're gonna pull the crab legs out. The sausage should be warmed up and cooked by that time, and the corn should be real good as well. So we're gonna be really anxious to try this and see how it tastes. And we wanna thank the good folks at Today's Catch for making such an awesome product. I know it's gonna be good because their seafood is awesome. Can't beat it. Best seafood that I've had boiled anywhere, so. Hey folks, I don't know if y'all see my new apron I got right here. It says, "Don't make me go Cajun on you." Don't make me go Cajun on you. I gotta thank my Aunt Linda and my Uncle Stanley for this awesome belated Christmas gift from last year. I wasn't able to travel down there, but I just got it, and I wanna thank them for it. We're wearing it today in honor of my aunt and my uncle and all them Cajuns down there that get to eat that good food. We appreciate it. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, check the sausage out. Look at that. I just took it out the pot. Boy, that's good. Look at that. Nice and, oh, it's nice. Perfect. Man, y'all need to call Today's Catch. Order some seasoning mix, boil y'all some stuff up, and comment below when y'all done. Guaranteed y'all like it.